Finally, let me show you how to clean the chicken house. Each case has a conveyor belt, a manure conveyor belt that move the chicken manure from the front down to the back of the chicken house, where we have a green belt, a manure green belt that convert the manure waste and push it out of the chicken house. Push it out this place, take it completely out of the chicken house. This is a perfect cage and a very good one to be used by everyone. This cage has four tails. This is 1, 2, 3, and the last one here. So it has a water regulator. This is the water regulator where it is connected to the nipple line while birds feet get their drinking water through this place. At the same time, there is a water adjustment which shows the level of the water. This is the white line that shows the level of the water inside for us to discover if there is water or not. Divided into two rows, and in each lines we have 90 cells, of which each cell has four cells. 1, 2, and other side 2. In each cell contain 7 beds. It's very, very spacious, and this space give birds life easy.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.